Wow, what a sunny day! Hey friends, are you feeling a little thirsty too? When we're thirsty, what do we need? That's right, water. But have you ever wondered where all this wonderful water comes from? Let's go on an amazing adventure to find out. Look up at the sky. Pitter-patter. Pitter-patter? Sometimes water comes down to us as rain from the fluffy clouds. This rainwater flows and gathers, creating beautiful, winding rivers that travel all across the land. It's like a long, watery road. The rivers can also fill up big, sparkling lakes. Aren't they shiny under the sun? And what's bigger than a lake? The giant ocean. It's full of salty water and gentle waves. Rain, rivers, lakes, and oceans are all natural sources of water. Nature gives them to us. But wait, there's more. Deep down under our feet, there's hidden water called groundwater. We can use special tools like wells and boreholes to bring this water up to the surface. People also build huge walls called dams to collect and store lots of river water. These are man-made sources because we build them to help us get water. From all these places, the water takes a trip through pipes to a cleaning station. Here, it gets cleaned up so it's super safe for us to use. Then, whoosh! It travels all the way to our homes and comes out of the tap. We use this clean water for so many things. We drink it to stay healthy. We use it for cooking yummy food. Farmers use it to grow our fruits and veggies. And we use it to keep ourselves clean when we wash our hands and take a bath. Water is so important, isn't it? It helps us live, grow, and play every single day. Look at these happy kids enjoying a cool, refreshing drink of clean water. That's better. Remember, water is precious and there isn't an endless supply. So, let's all do our part to protect our amazing sources of water. Thanks for exploring with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. Bye for now.